Welcome to this short tutorial on using SonNet system with the BACnet SIP. After refreshing the receiver properties, we place the receiver into auto commissioning mode to build the network. We see the SonNet devices join the network. After all the devices have joined, it's important to take the receiver out of auto commissioning mode before further configuration. Now we refresh the SonNet devices to obtain all their properties. We can drag and drop each device onto the graphical display map. Note that some properties are shown in italics. This denotes that all the property information is still pending. When all the device properties are received, we can set some important configuration properties. Here we set some configuration properties for the RF IOM. Fallback values are used by the RF IOM in the event that it goes offline and can't receive updated values. The next step is to connect to the SIP and map the SonNet wireless points to BACnet objects. All the SonNet devices we commissioned now appear in the SIP SonNet device list. If this is the first time the SIP has been commissioned, you can scan for devices or refresh the list if new devices have been subsequently added. Drag and drop the SonNet points required onto the Mapped Points panel. Do this for each device. Note that all the mapped points will be highlighted in yellow until they are saved. Now the points have been saved, they are depicted in white. Note how the SIP automatically assigns the mapped points to the BACnet objects, and where appropriate, units are also assigned. These can be manually edited later if required. Finally, we can connect the BACnet IP output of the SIP to our BACnet system. In this demonstration, we're using a Tritium JACE controller to accept the BACnet objects. Firstly, we can use the Discover feature to add the SIP as a BACnet device. Next, we can use the BACnet Points Manager to discover all the BACnet points which we mapped from our SonNet devices. We can now use the BACnet points for our control strategy.